Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today we are going to be working on a very special project. As many of you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I picked this up yesterday at my local quilt shop. It's just a little dry stand here. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a design by Embroidery Library. I'm going to be using the largest size, and we're going to put it on here. It is called the Pink Ribbon Angel Breast Cancer Awareness Design. So we are going to use the 10 needle Ricoma machine today, the EM-1010. If you have been wanting to get yourself one of those, I highly recommend it. They are awesome. The links are down below in the description box in case you're interested in that. Be sure to click on those links and they will be happy to help you. So anyway, I'm going to show you how we do this on the multi-needle. You'll see how quickly this stitches out. It's perfect for Christmas gifts and any gifts at any time of the year. If you're looking to start an embroidery business, it's even better. It'll pay for itself. So we're just going to jump right in. And I'm excited because this design is really, really beautiful. All right, so I'm just using some tearaway stabilizer. And then I have just a pink piece of fabric on here. I'm going to hoop this. And I want that to be really tight. So I'm just going to kind of pull on it and make it kind of taut there. You don't want it getting all wrinkly and stuff when you're stitching it out because it will mess up your stitches if you do that. So you want to make sure that your fabric is nice and taut. And I'm not pulling on this real hard. I'm just tugging on it just a little bit because you don't want to stretch it also. You don't want to stretch your fabric. And then you can use your screw down here to tighten it. You want to make sure your screw is facing you. And this is pretty tight. You can hear it. So that's the way I want it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the machine. Okay, we're going to load it on here. And click File. That's my design right there. So I am going to click here. We're going to load it in. I click OK. And there's our design there. We're going to click OK. Should pop up on our screen. There it is. Looks great. So then we're going to come down to here and we're going to choose our hoop. So we're going to work with our largest hoop. And then I think I'm going to flip the design. There we go. So that looks really, really good. Actually, I think I could probably change this to the smaller hoop, honestly. So let's see if it fits into that. And perfect. Okay, we're going to do a quick go around the hoop to see if everything's in place because we want to make sure that we're not hitting anything and everything looks really good. So all in all, it took about 17 minutes to stitch it out, which really isn't too bad. And this is what it looks like now. Isn't that beautiful? So now what I need to do is I need to trim this little piece here off the front. All right, so what we're going to do next week is we are going to trim this on Tuesday. And what we'll do is we'll put some batting and a backing on this, and then we'll be able to hang it on our little rack. And so we'll go ahead and do that. And then also we'll make another one so that we can complete the whole entire rack. So I'm just going to tear this off real fast because that's what we do. So this is just the tearaway stabilizer. And I just want to show you how easy it is to tear it away, because it really is. And then there's your design. So easy peasy. Again, so what we did this on was the Ricoma EM-1010 embroidery machine. It is a 10 needle embroidery machine. Again, if you are interested in this machine, it is a dream to embroider on. So you will want to click on the link down below in the description box, and it will take you to a screen where you can fill in your information so that they can, customer support can contact you and give you all the details and answer any questions that you have. So, beautiful. Turned out beautiful. Again, I got this from Embroidery Library, and I will also link that below down in the description box as well. So make sure you check that out. If you'd like to follow me on social media, links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video, and keep on crafting. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.